Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to edit Bumble profile. If you'd like to edit your Bumble profile and make your profile stand out, then keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open your Bumble application and log into your account if necessary. Now from the home page of Bumble, tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner. This will take you to your profile. Tap on your profile picture at the top and tap on Edit Profile. Now you can start off by adding more photos to your profile. Tap on the plus button and select one of the sources for where you'd like to import your photo. Let me go and tap on Instagram option, and you can easily import picture from an Instagram profile. Select a picture and tap on Add this photo at the bottom right. You can also connect Instagram to your profile. Tap on OK, and now your Instagram account has been connected. Under Verification tab and verify your account, and you can go ahead and verify yourself to help Bumble to confirm that it's you has opened up the account. From this feature, you can verify your profile to show potential matches that you are the real deal. By verifying your profile, it will be used to prove that you are the same person as you are in your profile photos. Tab on the Verify Yourself button from this page. And you can go ahead and copy the same pose that is displayed on the screen and take a photo for yourself. Tab and Take My Photo. Allow Bumble to access to your camera by taking pictures and recording videos. After you take a photo, you can tap on Submit Photo. If you don't think that your photo is quite right, you can tap on Retake My Photo and do this all over again. After you tap on Submit Photo, you're under observation from Bumble. Wait for a few seconds and your account will be verified. Now you'll be able to find the badge of purification displayed right next to your name. You can also add in profile prompts by picking a profile prompt from the display. You can then describe your story according to your selection. After describing yourself, tap on the check mark at the top right, and you can also add 3 profile prompts to your profile to make your profile stand out. You can describe it out yourself. Internet About Me text box to help people know you better. Similarly, you can add a job details, your education type, and your address. Describe what you are looking for on Bumble. Select your relationship status. Answer more questions like do you have kids or not? Answer some of the more personal questions like your religion, and much more. After you're done with it, you can also connect your Spotify account and add a top artist to your profile for his. Tap on Connect to Spotify, or Bumble to Pure Spotify account data and your activity on Spotify by tapping on Agree. Wait for a few seconds, and you'll be connected to your Spotify as well. If you'd like to change your profile picture like how you'd want it to appear on your Bumble profile, tap on the Edit Profile button. Now simply drag the first photo to somewhere else and choose any photo that you'd like to appear on your profile and make sure you've placed it at the front. Now once you do that, you can see that your profile picture has been changed. Those were how you could edit your profile on Bumble. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.